Oh. Alright, so Rocco watches YouTube all day long.
No, I don't.
Lies. He watches YouTube all day long. So he came across this video. You look
Shane Dawson.
He came across this video by Shane Dawson. Just watch the video.
Whoa. Oh, that's so pretty. Okay, it's supposed to fly away. Oh my god!
Okay, so basically we need tea bags and we're gonna make them float. I don't know. Right, Rocco?
Yep.
What?
So, we got some tea bags. We'll do this.
Okay. So get your tea bag out.
So you get your tea bag.
Camera's right here.
Oh.
Get your brownies out of the film.
The brownies out of the film. And you just
Oh.
want to take.
But don't you want it like clean? Hold on, hold on. You gotta dump the tea out too.
And then you gotta dump the tea out. And then you can eat a piece of a brownie.
Hope you guys are enjoying watching Rocco eat a brownie while I empty tea.
So now, you roll it up. Doesn't matter which way.
The long way he did it.
So, I can't roll it, I guess. I mean, it's not bad. Like, this is like a science experiment.
This is impossible to get to stand up.
It was hard for Shane.
Oh my lord.
Oh my glory.
Okay, we're gonna start with half.
Mm-hmm. I mean, it'll still work. Oh my god.
Alright, let's see what happens. See what's gonna happen.
God, that's massive.
It stinks. Yo. Seriously? Where's the floating part at? Why do our experiments never go right, people?
Oh my god, that smells like burnt fire.
Smells like burnt tea.
Burnt tea.
Okay, we're gonna try again. This never works for us. Come on, can we just get one experiment right? Ah, you don't get to play with fire.
Aww.
No.
Go. Alright. Oh.
Come on.
Come on. We got a big flame. I don't know why. It's just looking big. Come on. Come on. Cross your fingers.
Seriously? What did we do wrong?
Alright, well, that was a fail. Next one! Alright, guys. So, this is the next project. And we're putting Christmas lights in a microwave.
No, he's not telling a lie, guys. We also got this idea from Shane Dawson. This clip right here.
Alright, here we go. Oh my god. My last and final video. The last time you'll ever see me alive. 1, 2, 3. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. Oh my god!
So yeah, it's pretty simple. Just get a strand of lights and put it in the microwave.
I wonder.
Yeah, they work.
Oh, okay. So they work. They're good.
So now we're gonna put them in the microwave and see if they turn on. I'm kind of scared.
Alright, so once you get them in there, close it.
Why don't we start with like 30 seconds? Oh my god, I'm so scared, Rocco. If we see sparks, I have to turn it up. Hold on. Oh my god. There we go. I'm kind of scared. Oh! Oh! Are they warm?
That wasn't, no.
That was so cool.
1 minute. Oh.
Oh.
Oh crap! Fire! Fire!
No, really, there is. No, it's not. It's small. It's going away. You can't hang those ones on the house.
Alright, guys. Alright, you know what?
What are you? No. No.
I got it. Alright, guys. So, crap!
Come on.
That was today's vlog. Hope you guys liked it. We basically risked ourselves because just please, kids, never put metal or stupid things in the microwave, or else
Get Cheeto back.
your lights won't work again.
Just don't put stuff in the microwave.
Yes,
That's not supposed to be there.
That's not supposed to be.
See ya.
Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure to subscribe. And yeah, see you guys tomorrow.
Okay, take it easy. I didn't stop it.
Alright guys, so we are at mini night. And it is very loud. And Becca's unloading the bike. It is, I feel like, it is about 30 degrees. 60?
Yeah.
Oh God. Well, it's 60 and very windy, so it's very cold. But, you know, just gotta fight through it. And Becca's unloading the bike, and can you do this by yourself? You think you can? Alright, I'll help you.
This is our attempt to unload the bike, Becky and Raccoon. Alright, it looks like we can't do it. Holly had to come help us. We can't do it together yet. What's a day without goon riding? I don't want to do that. Are you guys riding?
Yeah.
Yeah, do you guys come out here a lot? You don't ride?
No, he doesn't ride, but we...
You're a KTM 50?
Yeah.
Automatic? You have this bike too?
Yeah.
Yeah? Do you do races?
Yeah.
Are you gonna ride the vet track? Are you riding the main? Are you going back out to the main, Rocco?
Yeah, I'm gonna play around.
You guys wanna do a shout out?
Yeah.
Do you have an Instagram?
No.
Just, what's your name?
Landon?
Landon, what's your name?
Darren?
Darren, do you have an Instagram or anything? No? Any Hayes, any buddies, friends, anybody?
I shout out to his dad for bringing me.
Oh, that's nice. Rocco, watch out for that little kid. He loves this kind of stuff.
Yeah, these kids are having so much fun right now.
I know. He's like, this is the best night.